So guys, now we are going to learn about this number systems. In this course we are going to learn about these three number systems: binary, decimal and hex. Of course there are many number systems like octal, base 64, but we are going to see only these three particularly. Okay, let's see the decimal system first. It's pretty much self-explanatory because these are the numbers we use in our daily life: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this decimal contains the numbers 0 to 9, and then after 9 it's the again same process. You put the 0 and put the 1 at the left hand side, and you pretty much repeat everything after 19, and you put the 0 and you will add 1 to the 1 place so that you will get 20. In the same way 99, after 99 you will add 1 so that you will get 100. It's pretty much repeating these 0 to 9. And also, for example, say 324, we are going to say 300 means 3 into 100, and 20 means 2 into 10, and 4 means 4 into 1. We can represent those 100 as 10 power 2, and 10 as 10 power 1, and 1 as 10 power 0. So these are the base 10 numbers which you can multiply with base 10. You get all these numbers. In the same way, hexadecimal numbers are base 16 numbers, base 16, and these are up to the same up to 9, and from 9 onwards the 10 is represented by A, and 11 is represented by B, and so on up to 15 it is represented by F. And after this you will put the 0, and again you will put the 1 in the same way as this decimal, but these are the base 16 numbers. Don't worry if this sounds confusing. In the future videos we will be converting this number system to another number system so that you will get more clarity about this. And the next one is binary. These are the base 2 numbers, which means that each bit is represented by either 0 or 1. So 0 is represented by all zeros, and 1 is represented by 1, and after this you are going to add 1 to this one, and we are going to, it's pretty much repeating 0 and putting 1 on the left hand side so that you will get the next number. In the same way you can reproduce all these values by adding 1 to the previous numbers. So let me just tell once more. These binary numbers are the base 2 numbers, and decimal are base 10, and hexadecimal are base 16. In hexadecimal there will be 0 to 9, and then from 10 it's represented by A, and 11B, 12C, 13D, 14E, and 15F.